Welcome. Today, let's discuss common Agile pitfalls, mistakes to avoid in Agile adoption. We'll explore frequent challenges encountered during the adoption of Agile methodologies and how to navigate them effectively. Let's begin. One of the most significant pitfalls is a lack of training and understanding. Teams often rush into implementing Agile without first ensuring they have proper training and a solid grasp of its underlying principles and values. This can lead to a superficial adoption of Agile practices, focusing on the how without understanding the why. It is important to have a deep philosophical understanding of the Agile principles before adopting the processes. Another common challenge is resistance to change. Many teams and organizations find it difficult to move away from traditional waterfall methodologies. Management may be unwilling to relinquish command and control, and there can be a general fear of the transparency and continuous feedback that Agile promotes. Overcoming this resistance requires a cultural shift and a willingness to embrace new ways of working. Poor communication can also derail Agile initiatives. Siloed teams with minimal collaboration, a lack of regular stakeholder involvement, and poor documentation and knowledge sharing can all lead to misunderstandings, delays, and ultimately project failure. Clear and consistent communication is essential for Agile success. An incomplete implementation of Agile is another pitfall to watch out for. This involves cherry-picking Agile practices without adopting the full framework, skipping important ceremonies or rituals, and ignoring crucial technical practices like continuous integration and continuous delivery, or CI/CD. A piecemeal approach can undermine the benefits of Agile and lead to inconsistent results. It's easy to fall into the trap of overemphasis on tools. While tools can certainly support Agile processes, it's important to remember that they are not a substitute for people and interactions. Relying too heavily on tools, believing that they alone will solve all problems, or suffering from tool overload can all hinder Agile adoption. Ignoring technical debt can have serious consequences in Agile projects. Rushing to deliver features without refactoring code, accumulating shortcuts and workarounds, and neglecting code quality and architecture can all lead to a buildup of technical debt that slows down development and increases the risk of bugs and errors. The lack of product owner engagement is a critical pitfall that can derail Agile teams. When the product owner is absent or unavailable, priorities and requirements become unclear, and decision-making and feedback are delayed. This leads to confusion, frustration, and ultimately, a product that doesn't meet user needs. Lastly, avoid micromanagement. Agile teams thrive on self-organization and autonomy. When managers don't trust teams to self-organize, exercise excessive control over team decisions, and undermine team empowerment, it stifles creativity, reduces motivation, and ultimately, hinders Agile success. Let's recap the key takeaways. Invest in proper training and understanding of Agile principles. Embrace change and foster open communication within your teams. Implement Agile fully, rather than just partially adopting certain practices. Remember to prioritize people and interactions over tools. Address technical debt regularly to maintain code quality and velocity, and finally, empower teams and trust them to self-organize effectively. By keeping these points in mind, you will be well equipped to avoid common Agile pitfalls and achieve greater success with your Agile initiatives. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.